Minister Biren kicks off the starter campaign to establish direct contact with people and raise awareness about Prime Minister's welfare schemes. CPI leader Dr. M. Nara asserts leaders must change their mindset first to weed out corruption from Manipur. Two married women found dead under suspicious condition in different places. And a subsidy of loan under Prime Minister's Housing for All by 2022 mission increased to Rs 2.6 lakh. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren kicked off Vistarak initiative, which is aimed at establishing direct contact with people at the party's office at Nite Park Chutek today. The Chief Minister flagged off 20 vehicles with 30 Vistarak volunteers. Speaking at the event, the Chief Minister said these volunteers will visit 2,794 polling booths in all assembly constituencies of the state to spread the message of Pandit Din Dayal Upadhyay. The event was organized as part of the 100th birth anniversary of Pandit Din Dayal Upadhyay, one of the important leaders of Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh (RSS). The volunteers will also observe Patriots' Day on the 13th of this month in memory of the sacrifices made by the freedom fighters of the state. The Chief Minister said they will raise awareness about the achievement of 3 years of Narendra Modi government and 100 days of the state government on the occasion. Works Minister Thongam Biswajit and several BJP leaders were present at the event.
Messenger is going to spread nationalism feelings to the youth, and the Karikariya will visit the whole booths. For continuously, they will be visiting 6 months to spread the estimate of the Modi ji, to give the message of the nationalisms, and even we are going to give the message to have a celebration of Patriotic Day of 13 August as well as the Independent Days 15 August to hold booths inside the Manipur state.
Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren left Imphal for Laos to attend the 25th anniversary of Asian-India Dialogue Relations celebration to be held on the 7th of August at Vientiane, capital of Laos today. The Chief Minister will attend the event as a special guest to be held at Muang Thani Hotel and deliver the keynote address. He was accompanied by his advisor Rajat Sethi. The event is being jointly organized by Asian India Business Council AIBC, Laos PDR chapter and Embassy of Republic of India in Laos PDR, and supported by Laos National Chamber of Commerce and Industry LNCCI of Laos PDR. Breastfeeding Promotion Alliance of Manipur and GP Women's College Imphal jointly observed the World Breastfeeding Week at the Central Hall of GP Women's College today. Speaking at the event, Dr. Trinity said although breastfeeding is needed for the health of a newborn, the trend of breastfeeding has decreased due to many reasons. He said the reasons vary from non-cooperation from family members to lack of care among medical professionals, commercial influences, etc. In his address as the Chief Guest, Education Minister T.H. Radhesham stressed the importance of breastfeeding and called for raising awareness among the people. He also maintained that students also need to thoroughly understand its importance while studying. The minister urged the students to have creative and innovative ideas to be able to solve the issues facing the society. The Breastfeeding Week will be observed till the 7th of this month.
Important noiba ahan machinja akwai na miyoi bam hek bokwan yan nan sabra very important noiba pot akwai kari kana oi gata ge di sabra machinja tune kari noi kan akwai imari to ko khomlang ra aina tamjarak pada when I was in class 7 or 8 in Senic school colostrum maina substance sama yam nang law ma ma da imari thoi maduna akwai immunity isai ngak thoi sakti se madu yo yam kalle first adu ya han bas aduna ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯅꯥ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡꯁꯦ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗꯒꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯥꯕꯗ ꯗꯤꯄꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯋꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯂꯩꯅ ꯆꯥꯒꯗꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤ ꯏꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯈꯣꯝꯂꯥꯡꯗꯨꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗ ꯊꯣꯔꯛꯏꯕ ꯀꯣꯂꯣꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ.
Municipal Commissioner of Imphal Municipal Corporation T.H. Harikumar is accused of auctioning 8 vehicles of the corporation using fake documents. The leader and deputy leader of the opposition of Imphal Municipal Corporation today alleged that the Municipal Commissioner T.H. Harikumar auctioned 8 vehicles of the IMC by forging seals of the IPR and indulging in illegal activities. Speaking to media persons at the opposition room of the corporation today, opposition leader Indrajit Taurangbam and deputy leader G. Gaidon Rongmei said the notice issued for the auction also contains a copy for the DIPR. They claimed that the DIPR receipt number and auction receipt file number do not match. They also alleged that a photocopy of the Daily Eveningers, Miam and Pandam have a notice of the auction while another does not have. Both of them alleged that the vehicles were also in good condition, but they were condemned and sold for 15 rupees per kg as scrap, which is the minimum price. Opposition leader and deputy leader have appealed for return of the vehicles to IMC and urged the Transport Department to not allot new number plates to these vehicles. They maintained that they have been playing the role of the opposition for the development of IMC. They threatened of legal actions if the government does not take actions against the municipal commissioner.
DIPR sida CM Tharam sida ikona suspect lerga thirure DIPR Government of Manipur serial number 625 sinse moigi ikoi hangnu bagana sinsi lale hare discharge salamba sida serial number 625 date 26 May 2017 salamba se 22 da oiramdreba masi posi kanana tharke hairkanda SP Thauban Priest Telecom Department na DGP Manipur sida message soina tharpa ngarang nungdang phamgiba assembly gi house da aikoi opposition kangbuna puthoba je answer phajana pidana loisin khiba pot ado aikoi pende
Siran Turana Tauraga Pitoki Badumba Gari Singase Yorokta Taragadi aikoi opposition gi side gi yamna chauba yamna chicken bayaba democracy oibadum agitation chicken jagani.
CPI State Secretary Dr. M. Nara today categorically stated that the political leaders and top officials must change first if corruption is to be removed from the state. Appreciating the measures taken by the government to weed out corruption, Dr. Nara today said those at the top must change their mindset and corruption will not be removed by targeting those at the bottom. Speaking to media persons at Irabat Bhavan, Dr. Nara appreciated both the ruling and opposition members who actively took part in the debate on many issues in the assembly and expressed their views with courage. He said it will be more appreciated if they translate the commitments they made in the House into action. The CPI leader was doubtful about the government keeping its promises to the people. He alleged that the officials have misappropriated the fertilizers meant for the farmers. Dr. Nara reminded that the farmers are suffering due to the recent floods. He said, the people are protesting as the government has failed to reach their rice under the National Food Security Act to the beneficiaries. He asked what the government is doing to solve the problems facing the people.
Voters dasu attitude mo honghan grabane because of the present political and electoral systems. Election free and fair oidie su oidie ko Manipur da maramaduna koi communist party hanadagi haidan lai laibe electoral system si reform tausi habs proportionate electoral system haibama madugi lambi da hongdok targadi hujiki laibe system se chumna tobu yaroi corruption chana na things haibagi wakhaldu laibiragadi handaki election se free and fair ohengani nisha sijinaba paisa yanbi yaroi se amuktadi lauthok biu kedoge madu ohenba ngamdraba sarkar asina chumna torkani habisisu koidi thajab ngamoy.
One-day workshop on a recently introduced the Manipur Private Schools Registration and Regulation Bill 2017 was held today at GM Hall. Representatives of private schools from different districts took part in the seminar organized by All Manipur Recognized Private Schools Welfare Association at GM Hall. Speakers at the seminar shared the hardships faced by private schools since the government introduced the bill on July 27th. It may be mentioned that the bill says that every private school should register to get a recognition from the government. Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights (MCPCR) conducted an inquiry into the deaths of Wangkem Imocha at Sainik School Pangai and met the principal and staff of the school. Later, they also visited the bereaved family at Nongren. A woman was found dead under suspicious circumstances in Kautruk last evening around 6. The deceased woman is identified as Thaunaujam Ongbi Leshangbam Ningol Bedamani, 34 years, wife of Hemanta from Kautruk under Lamshang Police Station. She is survived by her husband, a son and 2 daughters. Her elder brother has alleged that her husband was responsible for her death. He claims that Bedamani's daughter, who studies in class 4, was a witness to the unfortunate incident. He told media that Bedamani had in the past come to live at her parents' home for about 4 months due to ill treatment by her husband. The brother also said she died after her husband kicked her when she returned home after working in the field. He said her head hit the door.
시시나 이딱 탁선들 나가 마산 비지다 유로보 살로나 하이바 떨지 아두다 코이션 비지나 안강지 거리기 유로보 다도도 사람 배야로야 다 떨고네바 아두다 마나 자기 막콩도 더가 까오 아두기 포스나 마지 쇼가 더다 통과도 예선면 못지다 아두기 마도 아니 것이죠 오이네 떨지 뭐이나 하디 라우이다 까보기 바틸라마 에나 탐레비니 아두다 아두데 싱 간도로 바까노 타오라가 강대나 닥실로베디기 타오보디 하나 하이레.
Another woman was also found dead under suspicious circumstances in Utlau, Mayailekai yesterday. The woman is identified as Thaunaujam Ongbi Sapam Ningol Sumila, 38 years, wife of Jiban from Utlau, Mayailekai. She married Jiban in 2014. Sources said Sumila talked to her parents who live in Wangkai Ayangpali in the past about the mental trauma her in-laws put her through since she did not have a child. Sumila's sister-in-law said they received a phone call last evening around 5 from Jiban's elder brother, informing them that Sumila was suffering from food poisoning. When her parents and other family members went to Shiza hospitals to see her, she was already dead. The family suspected foul play in her death.
Inamaga wari sanabadi ma akoi phone tarpodade rims ta laire na laona rims ta chatle ba khoje rims ki get dawrakanda chija da laire na hare khoje pakhatle chija da yawrakanda inamaje akoi inamagi manang pijina yawrakanda gyan je taramdre haba hujiki moi nurse nu pijina smaina kadobogi no tawbda khoi inama laigi da inamaje sijina khoi itai haitar ibai haitare khudumbi na thilami haba kai wadi habadi ngamdramnina khudumbi do thilami mai nungai tabado itai da laitrira kadoino je khangdare inamaga wari sanabadi.
The mother and son accused of brewing and selling spurious liquor, resulting in the death of 5 persons and hospitalization of 89 others on the 29th of last month, was produced before the Judicial Magistrate First Class Lamphel today. They are identified as Bina Kamei, 45, wife of late Kamba Kamei, and her son Apu Kamei, alias Kamei Apu, 24 years, of Tiam Leshangkong Kabui Khul. They have been sent to police custody till August 8 for further investigation. "12 Assam Rifles seized 280 grams of brown sugar and 2,950 WY tablets from a person identified as Ngamkolen Haukip, 40 years, from More Watts No. 1 today. The drugs were seized when the Assam Rifles personnel checked his Alto car bearing registration number MN05A9118 at Permanent Vehicle Checkpost Kudeng Thabi. Tension gripped the people of Borayangbi in Bishnupur district after an unknown disease has struck the village. Muslim Council Manipur said about 50 people have been affected by the disease so far and drew the attention of authorities to the problem. Speaking to media persons at the office of Muslim Council Manipur at Hatta today, Secretary General of the Council, Haji Arafat Ali, said the symptoms of the disease include cough, fever and skin infection. He said although around 50 people are affected, only a handful is undergoing treatment at Janims due to financial problem. It may be mentioned that Bora Yangbi was hit by the recent flood.
Yamna serious oina narakpadagi laina asi masak khangdre haina complain ama Amir Khan Kawama nupa amana akoi MCM da wakalakpadagi wakalaiba maramsi akoi concern minister adagi laingak anuba chief minister honorable CM daga masi akoi na haijaraga matam gi hajik sandoraiba laina asida section thorang oinanaba aduga state sida Manipur sida hajik oiraiba recently flood ki matang sigi oiribra madu kari laina dagi no nataga Japanese influences oiribra kari laina no dengira habi yamna hojikchi laina tinagi yamna aruba phibam ama leirabanina oiriba phibam sida hojik imung singsi mateng pangbiba loinana akoigi state sida lakadaba laina tina asumse health minister sinasu matam chana ngak thokpinaba masigi awareness oina athubada masi MCM gi magedi tawjahningi.
Institute of Driver Training and Research Center today organized a one-day road safety awareness program for students at Lamlong Higher Secondary School. Speakers spoke on traffic rules and explained to the students about road crossing, driving and meaning of different traffic signals. They also explained the rules to be followed by those engaged in school service and passenger service. SP Traffic Control Police and Joint Director Transport also attended the program.
Manipur board ki bosen go modiri koi class masa ki ko road safety syllabus ta koi curriculum de yaw re mai te me to ha pe ko safety ki so report pi gre Supreme Court hai di class 5 6 7 se bosen ko sen be jo hap ta ya roi hai ne ba atu ki matam de koi na de lo ro bani education department de su yam thun hapat na to bi hai na ba education hai be ya ki isam sam ba ko akoi enforce to ri me am do enforce po to ga ta na ta ba ani mo sabi na ba education su pi be ne ba education me ka ke awareness hai ta re ba rule na kari hai ai na kari hai akoi na to do ka do's don'ts me am se khangan ba se
Khaidem Herojit from Sector Makhalekai in Lamlai constituency in Imphal East District has been selected as a scientist at Atomic Mineral Directorate AMD, Department of Atomic Energy. Herojit has completed his master's this year in June from Mysore University, Karnataka, and with less than 20 days of pursuing PhD, he was selected as scientific officer at AMD. He scored 70% in a written exam held at Bhabha Atomic Research Center, BARC, and 878 marks out of 1,000 in the interview. More than 8,000 candidates applied for the examination for 11 posts without reservations. Herojit is amongst the 11 candidates selected after the interview of 150 candidates who cleared the written examination. Department of Education Manipur University has started issue of admission forms for Bachelor of Education B.Ed for academic session of 2017-18 from today at the cash counter of the university. KRBCA Center, Langol and JNV Kumbom Alumni Association donated 50,000 and 40,000 rupees each to Chief Minister's Relief Fund to help the flood-affected people at the Chief Minister's Secretariat. Bharatiya Infra Project Limited also donated rupees 2 lakh to the Chief Minister's Relief Fund. Agriculture Technology Management Agency Atma Staff Union donated rupees 20,000 to Chief Minister's Relief Fund. Convener of the union, Dr. N. Indra Kumar, handed over the help to the Chief Minister. Thado Students Association has condemned the murder of Tonglenlal Haukip alias Lalmoy, General Secretary of Kuki National Organization, Kuki National Liberation Front, and injury caused to his wife. Winners of various competitions held under the theme 365 Days Activities at School Level by Manipur State Medicinal Plants Board MSMPB were felicitated today. The event was organized by MSMPB, Directorate of Ayush, under the aegis of National Medicinal Plants Board, Ministry of Ayush, at the Office Chamber of Health Minister L. Jayantakumar in Old Secretariat. The minister presented cash prize to the winners of painting, essay and poetry competitions held on medicinal plants. Speaking at the event, Health Minister L. Jayantakumar emphasized the need to preserve and promote the medicinal plants used by the forefathers. He said the present generation should be made aware of the various medicinal plants and their uses. The subsidy of loan under Prime Minister's Housing for All by 2022 mission has been raised to Rs 2,60,000. Government of India and National Housing Banks, a nodal agency, signed an understanding about the same on July 10. The annual interest rate of 16.5% for the housing loans with a subsidy, which was initially decreased to 12.5%, has now decreased to 8.6%. Apart from the decreased interest rate, the subsidy amount for the housing loans given under the scheme was previously 2,20,000 rupees, which has now been increased to 2,60,000 to 70,000 rupees. Chairman cum Managing Director of Pantoibi Housing Finance Company Limited, Thoktom Hemo, today told the media persons that Housing for All by 2022 mission envisages at least Pakka or semi-Pakka houses for all in India by August 15, 2022. He said under the mission, the company earlier catered only to urban areas, but now have been extended to rural areas too.
Under the date 10 July, the Central Government ga MOU ma sign dawna jakhraga rural area gi subsidized home loan piba haujarak pasini adun haujikti rural amasung urban animakta koi subsidized home loan se very low interest ta up to 6 lakhs phawi amount se aina amuk repeat tawjaba se 8.6 ta reduce tawjare aduna koi maximum koi yum sanana bi plan do koi iramdam se lebiriba praja section khudi makta naraga amtang koi ji chawkhat panungai ba new Manipur ama frame tawna bi wakhalonda sangsin minar se haibadune hangna thamjari base.
Kaching Kuno Youth Forum has urged the government to create the headquarters of Kaching district according to the geographical area. Addressing media persons at the office of Kaching Kuno Youth Forum in Kaching Kuno, President of the forum, Kumukcham Prem Kumar, appeals to the government to choose a suitable location for the headquarters to avoid people's inconveniences. He also appeals to the authorities to not succumb to the pressure of a few individuals. One-day reproductive child health camp was organized today by CMO Taubal District Health Society for the flood-affected people of Uchiva, Turel, Wangma in Taubal District. 5 doctors checked up to 250 pregnant women and children at the camp. District Mobile Medical Unit Taubal also offered a free ultrasound and other tests at the camp. L. Birla, Secretary of YSDA, Uchiva Turel Wangma, appreciated District Health Society Taubal and Prosperous Manipur for organizing the camp successfully. Young voluntary organization YVO Wangkai celebrated its 38th Foundation Day in a unique way by organizing a blood donation camp today. The blood donation camp, set up as a joint collaboration with State Blood Cell National Health Mission Manipur, was participated by students, volunteers of CSOs, trainees of nursing institutes, representatives of Lifesavers Manipur, and many individuals. YVO's t-shirt and 3 saplings were distributed to blood donors as mark of appreciation. Moirang Kendra Progressive Front, Shiza Hospitals, Langol and Bishnupur District Hospital jointly organized a mega health camp at Moirang Lamkai Market today. The health camp was organized to prevent communicable diseases in the wake of recent floods in the area. 15 doctors checked up around 1,500 people in the area, and free medicines were also distributed.
Moirang Kendra Sing is always over problem of Lakiwa. I don't have the sing Zose, Hazana, Korean Jelaba, Tangasu, July Tang of Pandagidi, Highway Sing Zose, Lotaka, Imaima, the give it again, Moirang Kendizaga Kreda, Tunga like this, the Podamay, Tawea the Lerapa. Shuma Kasina, Lainaka, Polapaya, Kandanda Vidanta, ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯖ ꯍꯣꯁꯄꯤꯇꯥꯜꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯅꯦꯖꯤꯡ ꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔ ꯗꯥꯛꯇꯔ ꯄꯥꯂꯤꯟ ꯎꯅꯖꯔꯒ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯍꯦꯜꯊ ꯀꯦꯝ ꯑꯃꯇꯪ ꯇꯧꯖꯒꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀooperation ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯕꯒꯦꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯃꯣꯏ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯅꯤ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯖ ꯍꯣꯁꯄꯤꯇꯥꯜꯁꯨ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤ.
Shiroi Life Sciences Private Limited launched its products at an event organized by My Tweet Enterprise, Imphal West at Iravat Bhavan today. Hijam Rajendra from Silchar is the proprietor of Shiroi Life Sciences Private Limited, a pharmaceutical company established in 2014 and based in New Delhi. Proprietor of My Tweet Ningombam Maipaksana said, considering the side effects of harmful chemicals present in many products for daily use, they focus on production of herbal products. The herbal products launched today include personal care, home care, and medicinal products. One-day seminar for weavers and handicrafts artisans was organized by AVAS, Affiliated Primary Cooperative Societies of Manipur, at Kaisham Mandhap, Kaishampat Junction today. Weavers of the state took part in the program, which focused on the election and developmental activities of Manipur Apex Handloom Weavers and Handicrafts Artisans Cooperative Societies, Pauna Bazar. 6 resolutions were also taken for the development of handloom and handicrafts. Nurses Association Jenims unit in a press release has appeals to public not to abuse the nurses physically or verbally, but to lodge complaints to the authorities. Southeast Asia Cultural Organization SIACO celebrated its 7th Foundation Day at Lamyanba Shanglen Palace Compound today. In her speech as the chief guest, Dr. K. Sushila, Director of Arts and Culture, said, custom and traditions are dying out. She urged the SIACO to take a work for their revival. She said Art and Culture Department is protecting age-old shrines and is planning to develop Puruk Saubi in Imphal East.
Inamdam masigi nat ki oiba culture inat ki oiba mayam masi yokhan no konna bada asobu thogdang lowi ribas maina togdana aikoi ni Manipur ki oina su haiba Vrindavan gumba aduga Navadip gumba senglaba laifam watana aikoi ni Manipur da su lai haiba se so ayamna thamjaningi haiba Manipur ki lamdam sing ase nungsi raba jaga se aikoi sangal laga aikoi Manipur da laiba tisu singchida kurumasu aikoi isore jidi amatanina sabmane haiba se so ayamna thamjaningi.
Peacemaker Artists Association today celebrated its 15th Foundation Day at the residence of Makhon Mani Mongshaba in Uripok, Achom Laikai. Sangeet Natak Academy awardee Yumnam Rajendra and several distinguished artists attended the event. Now news from the world of sports. YOSC Kurai, Konsam Lekai and DOAK Yaripok defeated their rivals in the Maharaj Kumar Ghanendrajit Memorial Super Division Football League tournament. In the 39th league match today, YOSC Kurai Konsam Lekai defeated SAK Yumnam Kuno 2-1. For the winners, NG Jiten and Ajmer Shah netted in the 42nd and 62nd minutes of the match. Bitam Kumar converted a penalty in the 75th minute of the match for the losing team. In the 40th league match, DOAK Yaripok defeated RAU Lairik Yangbam Lekai 1-0. Laujel scored the lone goal in the 3rd minute for the winners. 11 teams are taking part in the tournament, organized under the aegis of Imphal East District Football Association from July 16. SSC Porampat will meet 11 Star Sporting Union Akampat in a league match on the 7th of this month. Manipur Olympic Association has condoled the demise of its former president Ilangbam Binoy Kumar. Members of the association observed a 2-minute silence as a mark of respect to the departed soul at a condolence meeting held at the office of the association in Kumanlampak Sports Complex today. Ilangbam Binoy Kumar was the president of Manipur Olympic Association from February 25, 2002 to November 13, 2008. Sai RC Takel won the 24th L. Sangeeta Devi Memorial First Division Football League Tournament and booked a berth in the Super League Tournament to be held next year. In the 25th League match of the Football League Tournament played at SKYC Sekmai Playground this morning, Sai RC Takel's player K. Radhakumar's lone goal in the 25th minute of the match beat WSC Ngairangbam 1-0. They scored 17 points in the Football League to book a place in the Super League Tournament. The 26th league match between SCK Kodompokpi and WAFA Wangoy ended in 1-1 draw. For SCK Kodompokpi, M. Romesh netted in the 78th minute of the match, while TH Rohit scored in the 40+5 minute. 8 teams are participating in the Football League held under the aegis of Imphal West District Football Association. 2 league matches will be played tomorrow. Nisu Kurai today defeated their opponent in Morangtem Ibobi Memorial First Division Football League Tournament. In the second league match of the Football League played at ABA ground in Ketrigao this morning, NESU Kurai dropped the Star Club top Morangkampu 6-0. Nisu Kurai's T. Dexon netted 3 goals in the 3rd, 57th and 61st minutes of the match, while Y. David S. Krishnakanta and M. Somokanta netted 1 goal each in the 2nd, 27th and 34th minutes. 8 teams are participating in the league tournament, which kicked off yesterday under the aegis of Imphal East District Football Association. SWC Kongman and KIYC K3 Iril Mapal will clash on the 7th of this month. Haubam Khamba has been selected match commissioner of Sub-Junior National Football Championship East Zone qualifiers by All India Football Federation. The tournament will be held at Chandanagore, West Bengal from August 25th to 30. The All Manipur Football Association in a press release said the hiring charge of Kuman Lampag artificial turf ground will be rupees 5,000 per 2 hours. Let's have a look at the magnificent Liabi waterfall in Ukrul. About 123 kilometers from Ukrul headquarters lies the Chatrik village, surrounded by the Nambanlog and Sanalog river. Passing through international border pillar number 117 and 118, Chatrik is a place abound with a rich flora and fauna. The Liabi waterfall is in Chatrik. The best time to visit the place is from October to April. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Biren kicks off Vistara campaign to establish direct contact with people and raise awareness about Prime Minister's welfare schemes. CPI leader Dr. M. Nara asserts leaders must change their mindset first to weed out corruption from Manipur. Two married women found dead under suspicious condition in different places. And the subsidy of loan under Prime Minister's Housing for All by 2022 mission increased to Rs 2.6 lakhs.